Also, we thought of what if we can do a separate analysis for the different score. So we call that the Cohen analysis. So we compare the healing before and after, then we get the p-value, and then you get the Cohen D value to look at the effect size. And so it is still similar to what we have done, but now in this case we want to add an extra statistics in it. Now there is bad news and both good news for Cohen D test. In SPSS, the bad news is that you cannot run Cohen D test if you have an older version of SPSS. You need version 27 or higher to be able to run Cohen D test. The older versions before these, you cannot run the Cohen D test. So the good news is, if you want to run Cohen D test via SPSS, make sure you upgrade your SPSS software to account for to be 27 version 27 or higher. And if you happen to update your software, once you come to the paired t-test, in the options for paired t-test, there will be an option of performing the Cohen D test, and your output will look something like this. So your output will look something like the Cohen D test, and then you have the standardizer value, then the point estimate, then the confidence interval. The point estimate will be your Cohen D value. So that is it. So we cannot run. Currently, I'm using version 24. So version 24 doesn't have Cohen D test, so we cannot perform the Cohen D test that we're supposed to do. But literally, after you doing this, is how you'd report. So we are going to get the healing status, that is at the end of the protocol, and then the healing status, that is the before. So you have the end and then the before. You get the standard deviation, because you do it when you're doing the paired t-test still, but it is an additional option. So that would come as an additional option. So it means that you'd still report the t-value because you're doing the paired t-test, the p-value from the t-test, and then you'd be able to have that additional statistics for the Cohen D value. And the interpretation for the Cohen D value, you can check that out, what each of them means, but which one is large effect size, small effect size. But this is small effect size, 0.007. That is a very small effect size. Now we are literally done with that section for the analysis. So the other part for the analysis, after you doing all those analyses, is we have the diagnostic or the correlation analysis.